Are you tired of paying too much for insurance? Well, you don't have to settle for high prices. You can actually shop around for insurance and get a better deal. One of the easiest ways to shop around for insurance is by using online comparison tools. These tools allow you to compare quotes from multiple insurance companies and find the best deal for your needs. You can also call insurance companies directly to get quotes. Be sure to ask about any discounts or promotions that may be available to you. It's important to review your insurance policy regularly and make sure you're not overpaying for coverage you don't need. You can adjust your coverage limits or deductibles to save money on your premiums. Working with insurance agent can also help you shop around for insurance. They can help you evaluate your coverage needs and find the best policy for your budget. By shopping around for insurance, you can save money and get the coverage you need to protect your assets. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping! Please like and subscribe FinWizard YouTube channel.